Apple is planning a massive shift for the Apple Watch Series 12, and the biggest surprise isn't just internal performance. A legendary premium material is finally making a long-awaited comeback, but that is only half the story. While high-end buyers get a luxury treat, budget shoppers are about to receive an unexpected gift. Now, according to a tech tipster Kosutami on X, formerly Twitter, the Apple Watch Series 12 will feature the ceramic watch case. If you remember the classic Series 3 or Series 5 edition models, you know ceramic is virtually impossible to scratch. Supply chain leaks indicate Apple is testing glossy, jet black, and pure white ceramic finishes. These look far premium than standard aluminum or matte titanium options. But this ultimate level of scratch resistance comes with a price tag that might shock your wallet. This new ceramic edition could easily cost over $1,240, placing it right alongside top-tier flagship iPhones. That naturally makes you wonder what happens to everyday buyers who just want a dependable smartwatch. Apple actually has a clever double strategy ready for their upcoming event. They are secretly preparing an ultra-cheap smartwatch model rumored to launch at just $199. This ultra-affordable option, possibly named as the Apple Watch Neo, aims to replace the older entry-level SE lineup. However, rising component costs might push the main Apple Watch Series 12 up to $499. That price jump sounds steep, but Apple is packing something inside the chassis that changes how you interact with your wrist daily. Instead of altering the physical body shape, Apple focused their entire development budget on raw processing power and deep artificial intelligence. The Apple Watch Series 12 includes a brand new CPU built to run smart Siri requests and health tracking models on device without any delay. If you wanted a totally new case design, you might feel disappointed until you look at what is happening to the Apple Watch Ultra 4. The rugged Apple Watch Ultra 4 is also skipping a major external redesign this cycle, opting instead for faster chips and better battery efficiency. But if Apple is keeping physical cases similar this year, where is all their design innovation actually going? Supply chain reports reveal Apple is actively testing entirely new wearable form factors right now. Engineers are working on a screenless health band known as Apple Watch Air, designed to track sleep and workouts without a display, alongside prototype round smartwatches. While a round display won't ship immediately, these tests show a massive evolution happening behind closed doors. Mark your calendar for the big reveal. The official September 9th launch date is officially locked in for Apple's fall announcement event. That gives us only a few short weeks before we discover if ceramic cases, budget models, and new artificial intelligence chips can justify the upgrade. What are your thoughts about this? Are you switching to Apple Watch 12 series? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.